Hello, welcome back to the stream. To be honest, I kind of forgot what exactly you were doing last time. I mean, I get I know kind of what we were doing. We're going through the animations of this these player states, but I forgot which one we were on, to be honest. Oh, right. We finished the dead state, and we were going to move on to the push-pull state. Right, I remember now. Just to go over this, I'm going to make the player die again. I, I don't want to I don't want to say words that trigger like not copy protection. What's the word? Like content warnings. Self-harm, that kind of thing. I don't want to trigger that on YouTube. I'm going to unalive the player character just to see the death animation. All right. Alrighty then. Seems to be working. Oh, I should check the. Hold on, I can't check the water state. All right, never mind then. Yeah, push pull state. Okay, let's grab the spawn point and move it next to the pushable block down here. Boop, 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 boop. Probably as good as any other spot. As good as any other spot. Alright. Well, so I'm holding base right now. He's supposed to be playing a pose where he's kind of holding the box. And he's supposed to. Alright. Okay, I remember this. I remember this from yesterday. Yeah, he's supposed to be playing animations for pushing and pulling, and he's supposed to be in like this pose where he's like ready to push or pull the block. And none of those are happening because a bunch of shenanigans where I renamed stuff and changed things around. Okay. Push pull state. Open the script and see what we got. Huh? Why is there Let go ASAP. What is that? I'll be honest, I don't even know what this is. Oh, okay. I know what it's for. Kind of hard to explain in words, but yeah, it's basically let go of the block as soon as possible. So it gets set to true the moment you, the player, let go of the multi-function action button, or the action button. That'd be A on the controller or spacebar. And the reason I have to do this instead of triggering it as soon as you let go is because I don't want you to be able to let go of the block while you're in the middle of pushing or pulling it. Because it's kind of a thing is the block is affixed to a grid. So I, I can't necessarily let the player let go of the block right away. So I have to say, okay, the player let go of the block. So he has to let go of it as soon as possible, as soon as it is possible. If that makes sense. All right. So apparently I had set this up to use timers, and I don't want to do that. I want to use an asynchronous function because that's what I've always been doing. It works. It allows me to make my code nice and clean. At least I think it does. I don't know. I find that my code is easier to understand when I have like an asynchronous sequence where I do like an action, it goes down the list. It pauses until like a certain amount of time has passed or the animation is finished playing, and then it continues. Yeah, asynchronous functions allow me to do that. With timers, you kind of have to create like a separate function for when the timer is done. You have to connect, and you have to like connect it to the end of that. Yeah, it's a lot of I'm not sure which is like technically the best way, but yeah, I'm getting rid of the timer. I just had a McDonald's early supper. You know that feeling that you get in your stomach when you just had like fast food? It's like it tasted pretty good, but ugh, you can feel it. My family likes to call it the McBrick. It just feels like you got a brick in your stomach. All right, push forward. Okay, I need to actually think about this for a moment. What does a timer do? I don't even remember. Oh, man, I should not have deleted that. Now I don't know. Now I don't remember how it works. Ugh, I hate it when that happens. Okay. Someone's playing music in the other room. I don't know if you can hear that or not. No, you can't. Microphone's not picking it up. I'm like 90% sure that it's Christmas music. Hopefully it's not gonna be an issue. Hmm. Man, I do not remember how this stuff works. What does this do? I don't know. Ugh, this is gonna be harder than I thought. Oh yeah, it's definitely Christmas music. It's that song that was in Home Alone. Oh yeah, rocking around the Christmas tree. I don't think you can hear it. It's definitely not being picked up on the microphone. Yeah, there's the saxophone. Do, 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 do. Anyways, all right. Let's at least get these correct. Push block. What is this animation actually called? Block. Oh, it's just the words swapped around. Makes sense. By putting the word block in front, I can group all of the block pushing animations together on the list since it gets sorted alphabetically. Yeah, I think it was a smart move. All right. Let's at least see what we got. It's definitely not going to work, but I want to see what happens. It's like I know that so I know that the block push pull state that's on the player interacts with a script that's on block. Oh, what? It does work. What the heck? How is it working? Okay. All right. All right. I could have sworn that it just straight up wasn't going to work. All right. Yeah, it's working just fine. It's just the animation for like the pose isn't working. I'll get that working right now. All right. Apparently, I was overcomplicating for myself, and I could just delete a whole bunch of this, not doing anything. Yeah, I thought this was gonna be a bigger job. Boy, was I wrong. Don't need you. Don't need. What else do I not need? I guess I should probably explain what this is. Active lines behind player. Or if border of block puzzle is behind. Okay. Because around this whole puzzle, there's like a bunch of invisible um these colliders. No, these are areas. I think are these. Oh, yeah, it's a static body. There's a bunch of like static bodies there that kind of serve as the border that of the puzzle to tell the player where the or it tells you like where you're allowed to push the block. You can't really see them on the stream probably because it's too transparent. But here's one. Um, here's another. Here's another. There's one like over here, I think. Yeah, one there and one there. It's there to make sure that the block stays within the confines of the puzzle area. I'm not entirely sure if that's the best way to do it, but that's how I did it. Actually, I'm wondering if I could use like the lip of this as like the border. Maybe. Maybe yes, maybe no. But it's very clear that I don't need this timer. And I didn't need it for a long time. All right, be ready. Already. Set anim parameters. Okay. Wait, no. Man, I love it when that autofill system is like the correct value. Now just press tab and it'll automatically type it for me. I absolutely love it when that happens. So convenient. All right, so I could just do that. I could do that. What is this? The heck is that? Blend normal block. Blend normal block direct? Huh? Is this what I think it is? Do I even have that? Land normal ladder. Land. Oh, it's just not in here at all. I could just delete that. At least I think so. Alright, okay, so it's called blend push pull idle. Okay. Oh wait, I don't need to put it there. And normal staff. Set block mode. What? Block mode. Oh, that's something that I don't have anymore. Do jump. Don't have that anymore. Do landing. Nope. Say land normal airborne. Yep. I don't remember what that is, so I'm just gonna comment it out. Set jump attack speed. Set spin attack speed. Set holding item right hand. Do I have that? Yes, I do. Don't have that. I do have that. I do have that. I think I have that. Yes, I do. Here it is. Open chest blend. Oh, don't have that. Charge spin attack. I do not have that. Spin attack hold. Spin. Okay. All right. Sorry about that. I got a bit sidetracked. Well, the important thing is that it had to get done eventually. Oh, wow. What am I doing? Set blend normal. Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. It's just those. Huh? Set roll speed. Wait a minute. 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 Nope, it's not there. All right, so it's good that I deleted that. I need to find the animation that plays when you land from like a jump. Fall landing. Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay, so it's called locomotion landing. Okay. Some loud thumping going on. Oh, I think I know what's going on. I think someone is at my house is setting up Christmas tree decorations. That will explain the Christmas music that you can't hear, but I can. That bang was probably like one of the boxes we keep our decorations in. All right. Build. There we go. Okay. Okay. It works. Minor problem, the player seems to be like his hands are like inside the block, but that should be easy to fix. What? Why isn't there a property for that in the world? What? You kidding me? I never set that up as an editable property. That was dumb. Note. Player distance from block equals 0.45. We're guessing 0.45 because 0.4 is clearly too close. But I don't think that 0.5 would be. I feel like it might be too far away. The idea is that his hands should be like on the block, not inside of it, not hovering in front of it. Oh yeah, that is perfect. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Okay, minor issue. Huh? Man, the autocorrect is really, or not the autocorrect, the autofill is like really smart. It like contextually knows that like it's can be pulled or can be pushed. Wow. Wait. So, the thing is, I'm not going to be doing that. Hate when I do misinputs and it, like, sends me to the bottom of the page for no reason. Do not like doing that. Okay. Oh dear. Oh, that was dumb. I got it backwards. Okay, that doesn't work. Okay, maybe is running async is the wrong thing to use. Okay, let's try now. Okay, I think this is smart. Alright, it's smart because the old system used a timer which didn't necessarily sync up with the animations, and it waits for this animation to finish before it allows you to push or pull the block. In the old system, there was a timer which handled that duration, and it didn't necessarily match up with the time of the duration of the animation. And if they were out of sync, then there was a chance that the animation could play back could be like triggered at the wrong time. If it's triggered while it's already playing, it's not gonna play again for some reason. Because that's not how this engine works, apparently. I don't know why it works that way. I just know that it does. And well, I have to, this is smart because now instead of using a timer that scans for like the duration of the animation, it straight up just waits for the animation to finish, and then it gives you the ability to push or pull it again. That's why I like asynchronous functions. They let me do neat stuff like this. Like it literally goes through this. Like it checks to see if your movement input is greater than a certain amount. It checks that the block is not already being pushed or pulled. And the player is, okay, hold on. It's pushing or pulling. And the player is not pushing or pulling. If it is, then it checks if you're like pressing forward or pressing backward. And if you're pressing backward, it checks to see if there's like a block behind you or not, or a border. Either a block or a border present like behind you. And that is a check that uses the raycast, I think. And if all those conditions are true, then it plays the push or pull animation. It tells the block itself to do its movement input, and then it sets the value for is pushing or pulling to true, and then it pauses and tells this to wait until until this animation is finished playing, and then it says this is false, and that's pretty much it. I think it's smart personally. I could be wrong, but it works, and it's easy for me to understand. All right, so we know this is working. Target range game state. What is this? Oh, I know what this is for. This is for like a very, very, very specific scene. But is it even still there? Oh yeah, here it is, I think. It's probably broken, but I want to check it out anyways. There's like this target range mini game that I added to the game. It's not fully implemented. Like there's no. Oh yeah, there is a scoring system. It is fully implemented. I totally forgot how much I did, but it's probably broken now. With all the script changes I made. Why is this bush floating? Why is this bush floating? What in the world is going on? Okay, let's check out the target range minigame. And not even the entrance works, apparently. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Alrighty then. You know what? I am going to make this door load thing work again. What is a door load, you ask? It is a door that instead of opening, like moving the player behind, it like opens a loading scene, or it loads a new scene. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Hold up. Hold up. Oh, okay. So I know that this one works, but this one does not. Why is that? Why the heck is that? We are partial. Player animation. Wait, is this one broken too? I'm actually not sure. It might be broken now. Yeah, because I updated the animation system. Okay, I have to try it out. I have to try it out. Well, something's not working. Yeah, it's using an older animation name. Yeah. Well, on the bright side, the loading system on this store works. That is good. A bunch of other stuff is broken though. Just lame. Makes me wonder what else is broken. Okay. All right. Door left, door right. Okay. Probably won't have time to finish this today. And to be honest, I'm probably going to forget that I'm in the middle of working on this. I will make... Actually, I'll find a way to make sure that I remember. And I kind of have an unconventional way of doing that, which you will see probably in a second. Just want to get as much done as possible before it is 6 o'clock. Kind of weird. Wait a minute. I don't need separate ones for left and right. I could just do one because only one side of the door can be opened, right? So it's a door that triggers a loading sequence where you move to the next scene. So the reason why the regular door has a left and right version is because sometimes the doorknob is on the right, sometimes it's on the left. You need to play the appropriate one. But with the door, that it's like a loading zone, it's always going to be well, it's not necessarily always going to be on the right or only going to be on the left, but I can like set it up on a per door basis. That makes sense. Okay, it is 6 o'clock, which means that I've done enough for today. So this is how I'm going to make sure that I don't forget what I'm doing. Or if I do forget, I'll remember very, very quickly. There we go. So now this will return a compiler error if I attempt to build it. And when it does, it'll take me to the script. And as soon as that happens, I'll remember what I was doing and I'll get back to work. Let me show you. Build error. Failed to build project solution. And there it is. That is my unconventional strategy. It works. Every time I've attempted it, it worked. The only downside is that if I forget I did that and I try to show the project to someone, it's going to not work. And it's going to embarrass me. But that's fine because I'm not going to show the project to anyone besides, you guys on the stream and the people who watch the videos. And when I do, it's going to be ready. All right. Anyways, have a good night. See you later.